If you've been sitting on a big idea, whether it's creating your first course or starting a coaching program or launching a community, but you've been putting it off, this is your moment. Kajabi just dropped the Creator Plan and it is awesome. For just one payment of 99 bucks, you get access to every tool Kajabi has available, and you get it for a full 3 months. So if you've been on the fence at all, this is the deal you've been waiting for. And in this video, I'm gonna tell you everything you need to know about it. I've been using Kajabi since 2019 and it's been a complete game changer for me. It's how I've built my multiple six-figure online business. It handles everything from my courses to my payment processor, to my website, to my landing pages, to my email marketing, and everything in between. Everything that I need to do to run my online business is in one place with one login, with one effective tool. And this sure beats what I used to do, which is where I had a million tools trying to make them all work and integrate together. This is just so much better. So what it does for me is what it'll do for you, which is help me focus on the things that I actually like to do, which is build products, make content, make sales, serve my audience, make an impact, and make a great income for myself. I can do all of that without the tech headache. And so like I said, right now, Kajabi is offering the Creator Plan for one payment of $99. That's 3 months of access for every single feature they offer. No limits, no restrictions. You can build your website, set up your email marketing, and even launch your first product, all in the first 3 months for one payment of 99 bucks. And because I want to see you succeed on Kajabi in the same way that I have, and in the same way that hundreds of people who I've referred to Kajabi have, I'm going to give you 3 exclusive bonuses when you use my link over at lanesebring.com/Kajabi. The first thing you're going to get is the Kajabi Accelerator Course. This is my course that will help you get the best possible start on Kajabi, help you set everything up and hit the ground running so that you can build your business and start making money right away. The second thing you're going to get is my top 3 mistakes that new Kajabi users make, exclusive masterclass. This is what I learned after helping 400 people get started on Kajabi. I actually met one-on-one with 400 people over Zoom. Took me a couple years. And I learned exactly what leads to success on Kajabi, and I learned exactly what leads to failure. And I'm gonna help you avoid those mistakes that lead to failure and pretty much guarantee that you can be successful on the platform. And you're gonna get my 25K course launch email template, which are the exact emails and email strategy that I used to launch my first course, which made over $25,000. All 3 of those bonuses are yours, just to say thank you for using my link, because it is an affiliate link, so I do get a small commission when you use it, but at no additional cost to you. And so it's super easy to get started. Just go to lanesebring.com/Kajabi, click right here, and this is going to take you to the Kajabi page with my link. One powerful plan, one simple price. For a limited time, we've got something better than a 30-day trial. Get the Pro Plan limits on the new Creator Plan for 3 months, all for one single price, no hidden fees, no revenue sharing, no bull. Creator Plan, get 3 months of our most advanced Creator Plan featuring pro level limits for just $99. So one payment of 99 bucks for 3 months of access, you save $1,098. So with this, you're gonna get 3 websites, 100 products, 24/7 support, the affiliate program, custom domain, custom branding, multiple admin users, webhooks, 100,000 contacts, custom code editor, third-party integrations, unlimited email marketing, unlimited landing pages, group onboarding call, Kajabi AI, and Creator Studio. The thing that I love about this is you get access to everything for these 3 months, and then when the 3 months is over, you get to choose the plan that you want to go on moving forward. So if you want to go to basic, you can go to basic. If you want to go to growth, you can go to growth. If you want to stay on pro, you can stay on pro. And with Kajabi, there's so many things you can do. This just highlights a few of them. The more income sources, the merrier. Launch a newsletter, build a community, publish a course, create multiple revenue streams is the secret to making 6 figures and beyond, and making it while you sleep. So Kajabi does courses, coaching, communities, newsletters, memberships, podcasts, digital downloads, and so much more. One platform, all the features, your website, payment processor, mobile apps, analytics, contacts, pages, emails, funnels. It goes on and on and on. So I want you to imagine for a second, 3 months from now, you have your first course up and running. You have a couple of coaching clients that you've been working with that are paying you to coach them. Your email list is growing. You're getting leads every day, all because you took action today, spent 99 bucks, the cost of a fancy dinner out, to get started on the best all-in-one online business platform there is, to get my exclusive bonuses to help you get started along the way. And you're well on your way to building a six-figure online business, all because you took action today. Kajabi gives you the tools. I'm giving you the roadmap. All you have to do is jump in. This is a limited time offer. It won't last forever. So if you think this is a good deal, jump in now and get started right away. If you've been waiting for the perfect time to start your business, it is right now. But you might be wondering, if you have 3 months to use Kajabi for $99, what do you do in that first 30 days to get the most out of it? Well, I'm going to show you in this playlist called Your First 30 Days on Kajabi, which will walk you through step by step what to do in the next 30 days on the platform. So click right there and I'll see you in that playlist.